Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Solve this Java loop problem quickly by focusing on the starting column pattern. Let's break down this grid initialization logic now. First, notice that the starting column for our inner loop must alternate between 0 and 1 depending on the row index. We need a formula that flips between these two values. For even-numbered rows like row 0, the problem requires an x in each even column. This means our expression must evaluate to 0 when the row index is an even number. In odd-numbered rows, start at column 1. The expression row plus 1 present 2 correctly gives 1, making option E our final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given info and check your steps carefully.